Okay, so the items you will be needing is your resin and your resin hardener. You're going to need a cup, a popsicle stick, wire, a drill bit, a bottle cap, whatever one you want it to look like, something that you'll be putting in the bottle cap. This one I just took a piece of an old earring. You're also going to need pliers. Let's get started. For this step, we're going to be drilling the holes and marking them. So you're going to take your Sharpie and you're going to mark 2 holes on the outside of your bottle cap. Now, we have a flex shaft, but if you don't have one, you can just use a normal drill. For one of them, I'm going to take a hole puncher. Kind of hard to push it. This part can be very tricky. Okay, that's good enough. So now, putting on our glasses. And I'm going to use the flex shaft because it's easier. But you can use whatever you want. Done. That was kind of easy. Okay, for this part, we are going to be making a jump ring. This step, you'll need wire, your bottle cap, pliers, and something to cut the wire with. Take your wire, and I'm going to be using round nose pliers, pinching it down near the bottom. Okay, and wrapping it around. Like so. So then I get kind of like a jump ring. Now I'm going to cut it. Like so. There we go. Now I'm going to reshape it because the shape got a bit messed up. But that's okay, because it's really easy to fix. Now the next part is going to be very difficult, but I believe in you. We are feeding the wire through the holes of our bottle cap. What I like to do is kind of make a U shape with my wire so that it has like 2 open holes. Oops. Okay, there we go. So once I've done that, I kind of get them even, right? So then I get this U shape. And I squeeze them together a bit more so then they're closer, so then they can fit through the hole. And I mark out where I need, how small they need to be, right? And then I push them through. Once I have done that, I wrap them around each other and try and make them look more neat, which can be kind of difficult. But we can do this together. We will survive. Okay, for this step you will be needing resin hardener, a cup to measure it with, the thing you're putting in your bottle cap, needing a wooden stick or a popsicle stick, either one. For this step, we will be deciding how we want to place our piece into here. So I'm thinking about just laying it down, seeing how it fits together. It doesn't really need to be perfect, you know? It doesn't have to be beautiful, but it will be beautiful. So we have our resin and we have the hardener and our cup and our popsicle stick. We're going to mix 1 part hardener. This is hard to open. 1 part resin and 1 part hardener. You get equal amounts. So I'm going to use and take this. I'm going to do 1 part resin. It will come out. This part can be kind of tedious, but that's okay. Okay, that's 1 drop. Going to stop there with that one. Now for the hardener. Going to do 1 dram of the hardener. So I did 1 dram of resin, equal parts, which I have done now. I'm going to take my popsicle stick, and you want to mix this for a good minute. So then it gets fully combined, and I'm watching the clock for a minute. Okay, now that it has been a minute and it is fully combined, we're going to take our piece and slowly pour it in. Slowly. Pouring it in, making sure it doesn't overflow. Covering everything that needs to be covered. Now that that is done, we let it sit for 24 hours.